Okay, so
All right.
what's your name?
I'm
And
Brad.
who do you represent?
I'm Brad Zebrak. I represent the Association of Oncology Social Workers here as part of the Alliance.
And what do you want to do with the Alliance? Where do you see the Alliance going?
I see the Alliance as becoming an even louder and stronger advocate for issues related to young adults. From the research that I do, I'm seeing that a lot of young adults are not getting their needs met for things like information and information that's presented in an age-appropriate way. They're not getting many of them aren't getting their emotional needs met, their practical support needs for things like transportation or childcare. The issues that young adults deal with, our system is just not responding to the need that's out there.
Okay, so just one more question. Where do you see the link between cancer nonprofits and cancer research?
Link between cancer nonprofits and cancer research. I think the research can really inform the programs and the services that are delivered in the community. I think the folks, like yourself who are, doing a lot of work online, or whether it's a brick and mortar location for services, I think, what I'm trying to do with my research is to help inform people to know where should they put their time, where should they put their effort, where they should put their money in terms of developing and delivering services for young adults.